Welcome dear students. Let's solve chapter 17 of class 4. The chapter is sympathy. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. Who was in sorrow? Answer. The poet was in sorrow. B. What did the proud man give? Answer. The proud man gave gold. C. What did the poet do when his sorrow passed? Answer. The poet returned the gold and thanked the proud man when his sorrow passed. D. What did the poor man give to the poet? Answer. The poor man gave bread to the poet. E. What is greater, sympathy or gold? Answer. Sympathy is greater than gold. Question number 2. Write true or false. A. A proud man heard the poet's grief. True. B. The proud man thanked the poet. False. The poet thanked the proud man. C. The poet did not return the gold. False. The poet returned the gold. D. The poor man served the poet day and night. True. E. One can pay back sympathy. False. Anyone cannot pay back sympathy. Question C. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Some words are here like poor, cold, thanked, past, gold. A. The dash man was the poet. Answer is poor. The poor man watched the poet. B. The proud man's looks were dash. Answer is cold. The proud man's looks were cold. C. The poet dashed the proud man. Answer is thanked. The poet thanked the proud man. D. A poor man dashed his way. Answer is passed. A poor man passed his way. Sympathy is greater than dash. Answer is gold. Sympathy is greater than gold. Question number 4. Question number 4 is separate these compound words. A. Footpath equal to foot plus path. Playground, play plus ground. Bullock cart, bullock plus cart. Notepad, note plus pad. Homework, home plus work. Bulletin board, bulletin plus board. Roommate, room plus mat. Bookshelf, book plus shelf. Class fellow, class plus fellow. Next question, question number 5. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Two prepositions are given at the end of sentences and one is correct one or suitable one. He is going dash Delhi. Option 2 with. Right answer is 2. He is going to Delhi. We live dash India. Options in, on. Right option in. We live in India. Sita was married dash Ram. Options are 2 with. Right answer is 2. Sita was married to Ram. I travel dash bus. Options are by, on. Right option is by. I travel by bus. E. She will come dash Monday. Options: on, in. On is right option. She will come on Monday. India got freedom dash 1947. Options: on, in. Right option: in. India got freedom in 1947. G. The sun rises dash the east. Options: in, from. Right option is in. The sun rises in the east. H. The book is dash the table. Options are below, on. Right option is on. The book is on the table. I. The cat was dash the chair. Options: under, above. Right option: under. The cat was under the chair. J. You met him dash August. Options: on, in. You met him in August. Now question number 6. Write the past form, that is also called the second form of these verbs. A. Give, gave. Pass, passed. Stand, stood. Speak, spoke. Do, did. Bind, bound. Watch, watched. Hear, heard. Bless, blessed. Pay, paid. Thank you. Have a nice day.